Okay, there's a road right here on the right. And it goes right to the beach.
Act familiar?
Yeah. How you doing? Yeah, we belong here. There it is, the Ferris Bueller house.
No.
Slow down.
Why?
Because we're almost at the place.
Okay. What do you think we're gonna do? We'll drive into the water?
Yeah.
What lake is this?
What do you think it is?
Lake Michigan.
It's Lake Michigan.
Oh.
Do you say make Michigan?
Lake Michigan. Yep.
What?
Right there.
Wow.
Zoom in on that. Hi, how you doing?
Why are you filming our house? But look at this cool house here. It's like, it looks so cool. This is just like a random stop. Like, I don't even know really what road we're on, but we just stopped because we wanted to see Lake Michigan. Look how beautiful this is.
Missing someone.
You're funny.
Why?
But that refried beans is so good. That's the best refried beans I've ever had.
I know.
The El Primo Mexican restaurant in Joliet, and it was really good. Look at this building too, it's really cool. This food was amazing, really great. So we kind of decided that we're gonna stop. I'm vlogging.
I'm sorry.
Go ahead, just walk ahead of me. So we kind of decided that we're going to not follow a timetable as strictly as we were, just because it was getting a little stressful, and we are getting places really late and like trying to check into hotels really late, and we don't want to have to do that. We want to, I don't know, just not have the stress of it. So we might add a day onto this journey. We'll see what happens. But anyways, just took a little time to sit down. My husband really liked that. He loves Mexican food, so do I. And you know what? I'll tell you something. There's nothing like that in Canada. Like, there's Mexican restaurants, but they're nothing like the real authentic thing. And so this is much better than yesterday, but some things make a big difference, like not having the smell of somebody smoking pot like just next door. Anyways, this is much better. It's pretty nice here. So this is the Wildwood, what's it called? The Wildwood Suites or something in Clive, Iowa. Look at my hair. It's like a, I don't know, it's like a wild lioness or something. I had a nice shower last night, but my hair air dried. So, and I do have a curling iron, but I just can't be bothered, you know, traveling to do stuff with my hair. So we aren't yet. Today's supposed to be, well, first of all, today's day 3. That was a nice, this is a nice hotel, but we did pay for it. Like, I mean, the price was not that nice. This is the view from our window. It's a parking lot, but at the same time, there's a nice like football field basically right there where I took the dogs for a run. already passed like 100 of them.
Oh, there's several hundred.
Several hundred?
Oh, yeah.
And they're just everywhere. We're at the Woodgrove, I think, mall in Omaha, Nebraska. This is a gigantic mall and it's terrifying. And I'm terrified somebody's gonna get lost. And we're waiting by this fireplace. We just ate lunch. This is the weirdest food court. It's like trying to be super hipster bougie. There's just like, can I just get a Taco Bell? Like, please? Right? You want Taco Bell? Yeah. What do you think of Nebraska so far? Tell everybody.
What do I think of it?
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm confused between all the different states we've driven through. I don't know which one's which anymore. But I like the last leg.
Yeah.
So most of it's been Nebraska.
Yeah, I feel like Nebraska doesn't have a lot of topography to look at. And it's a lot of interstate. But the people have been really nice here.
Yes.
Really nice. We're going to an American Walmart right now for makeup. I'm excited.
West.
Now, is this what they call Big Sky Country?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You asked me or the camera?
I'm asking you on camera.
Yeah, I'd say so. Well, the flatter the land, the bigger the sky will be.
Yeah.
Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
We're stopping to eat lunch at Chili's, and the reason we're going here is because our son says that it's garbage, and we're gonna decide if it's garbage or if it's good.
But you keep hearing about it.
Yeah.
I've never been to one.
We've never been to one ever.
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Yeah, that's funny.
We're in Cheyenne, Wyoming, if I didn't say that. And I just happened to Google. They're like, why did you know there was an Ulta here? Why did you? I'm like, I don't know, I just decided to Google it. So it turns out that there was, and I bought some stuff, and there will be a haul coming, but I'm very excited about it. What'd Jesus say?
What if I had a makeup channel?
What if you had a makeup channel?
And you had a makeup channel.
We passed through 2 different time zones, and it's been daylight savings time. So none of us know what time it is.
No, hold
5.
5.
And then in the top corner.
3.
And then This watch says
4.
4.